day 3. Last day. I'm literally dead. I think I'm so much more tired today than I was when we woke up yesterday.
I had a full 9 hours of sleep.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter.
I literally, I like slept like last night I slept so bad, or the night before, but tonight I slept so good.
But it don't matter.
I'm exhausted.
Literally.
We never filmed a recap, but I think the first day the crowd was really bad, as you all saw on Twitter and shit. But last night the crowd was better. Day 2 was much better, so I'm excited for the last day.
Hopefully we're on an upward swing.
Yes. And Henry has Soundcheck, so he will film some Soundcheck for you guys. And we will see you once we look less awful.
Like rats.
Yeah.
Rats for ENHYPEN.
Hey boy, show me the lanyard. Ah,
look at this.
So cute.
Stop.
Oh my god, step down.
Let me in. Where's Jason?
Let's go. Engine song. Kata. 3, 2, 1.
Look at you yesterday. Oh my god, Jay.
He's wearing Carhartt.
Oh my god.
You guys keep getting given freebies as we're like trying to do something. Thank you so much. Thank you. I have Heesung on my skirts now.
Hey guys, are you feeling lucky today? Do you want to play the ENHYPEN quiz and get a PC from Seoulmates? Woo!
Smash. We are here, we're going in, we're gonna go find Henry and get the Soundcheck tea because I heard it's good. Yes. And yeah, we've got some food for him because he's a starving boy. We haven't eaten all day.
Oh my god, you guys, my hands are cold, but my heart is warm.
Yeah. We made, I feel like, lots of Engine friends today. So if you said hi to us, thank you. We love you.
Thank you.
Let's go.
We'll see you next time.
Yeah, say hi to us next time. Don't be shy.
We're getting ready. Going in. So go in.
We're about to go in. Oh, by the way, I just did my sound check and confirmed Jake is the best friend.
Oh my god.
He did this back to me because I was dancing to Go Big or Go Home because no one's dancing.
We will be.
Yeah.
Who else do you recognize at the bathroom line? They were
Really?
going. Are you guys Soulmates?
No.
Yeah. Rihanna, shout out. Come on, Rihanna.
This makes me so happy.
I know.
Okay guys, so stay up to date. I'm gonna try and film. My camera's not as good as Ali's. But
I'll be filming.
Yeah, I'll give it a go.
I used Friday and Saturday to like actually watch, and now I can film on Sunday.
Yeah. Okay guys, see you soon.
Here's today's view, boys. Again, I got nice legroom. Every day I've had legroom, which has been great. And here we go. Henry is there, I think, and Sydney should be over there. If they sing One Less Lonely Girl, I swear to God. He's so fine. He's so fine. 야, 너무 섹시해. Baby.
Baby, take my hand. Baby, take a chance, cause I want this to be something straight out of a Hollywood movie. Da-da-da-da-da-da. No spoilers, please. Da-da-da-da-da-da. No spoilers, please. Da-da-da-da-da-da. No spoilers, please. Da-da-da-da-da-da. And I love you 3,000.
하나 찍어도 되나요? 아 물론이죠. 엔진 괜찮아요?
네.
my love open go lost on me. And every breath that I've been taking since you left feels like a waste on me. I've been holding on to hope that you come back when you can find some peace. 'Cause every word that I heard spoken since you left feels like it's all a love stream. I've been told to get you off my mind. But I hope I never lose the bruises that you left behind. Oh my Lord, I need you by my side. There must be something in the water. Every day is getting colder. And if fully I can hold you, you keep my head from going under. Oh my God.
It's time for one in a billion. I'm not ready.
Oh my gosh.
No way! Oh my God! He's lounging so sexually. Oh my God, Jake! The queen.
That was one of the best things in my entire life.
We're gonna die.
I have no emotions or words.
I sound like this. Wait, highlights. Everyone's highlight.
Jake foreshadow.
Someone
okay.
crying.
Jay.
And me crying.
Sobbing.
Jay, that feeling when playing the guitar.
Yes.
Wonderful.
He's come around to it. He's come around to it.
Wait, that feeling when?
I feel like it wasn't one of your top songs before.
Oh, that's true. That's true.
Yeah.
That's true. Jay's changed my mind.
Yes.
He's
And our
changed my mind.
Our three
I've
encores.
changed my mind. Three encores.
Yeah.
Was everyone's concert bias? Concert bias.
Jay.
Jay,
It's
Jay?
always Jay.
Honestly, Jay.
It's always Jay.
It was Jay for me until someone cried. Then I went back to my man. But when Jay came out in those glasses,
Him,
Sorry,
yeah.
Yeah.
Excuse you. When someone full body sobbed.
okay, that was after I saw Jay in his glasses. Thank you. I came back. I'm loyal.
Glasses Jay at the very end. Yeah.
Killed me.
Yeah.
We need to go home, so we'll maybe see you later.
Yeah, we'll update you at the hotel.
Yeah.
Maybe. Yeah.
Ah, that's my baby for life, bro. Did I bake this cake?
He says mullet is mulleting.
Yeah.
Also, look at our remnants of our food.
God, don't look at it. We ate them. We ate again.
Baby dear.
난 너